For end behavior, this is what you're going to write. And down below, I just gave you a verbal description of what that notation means. So as x approaches negative infinity, we're talking about the left side of the graph, the y values are approaching. So you're going to fill in this blank here with either a positive infinity if it's going up or a negative infinity if it's going down. And then you're also going to do the same on the other side of the graph. So you're going to have a second statement that looks like this, that says as x approaches positive infinity, so we're talking about the right side of the graph, the y values are approaching, and again you'll fill in this blank with either positive infinity if it's going up or negative infinity if it's going down. Okay, for our first example, it's already written in standard form. Here is our leading term. Our leading coefficient is -1. Our degree is 5. Since our leading coefficient is a negative, we know the right side is going down. So as x approaches positive infinity, because that's the right side, we're going to put a negative infinity to show that the right side is going down. Because it has a degree of 5, 5 is an odd. And we know with odds, the ends go in opposite directions. So if the right side is going down, the left side should be going up towards positive infinity. For the second one, it is not in standard form. So if we look, we have our leading term way back here. The leading coefficient is 3, and our degree is 6. This time we have a positive leading coefficient, so we know the right side is going up towards infinity. It's an even degree, which means the two ends go in the same direction, so the left side is also going up towards infinity. Now that we have a graph on these bottom two examples, we can see that the left side is going down, so we're going to put a negative infinity there. And the right side is also going down, so negative infinity for both of them. And the last one, the left side is going down towards negative infinity, and the right side is going up towards positive infinity. So with these four examples, you can see that the first part of the description is going to look the same, and I'll usually give those to you at the beginning, and then I'll start to take them away. So we always have to have both because we have to talk about the left and the right side. And then for the y values, you can have both going up towards infinity, you could have both going down towards negative infinity, you could have one going up and one going down. That's where they'll be different, but the first part is always going to be the same. You're going to staple this page on page 31 in your workbook, and then you're going to go to Canvas, and under today's page there is a Wayground link that'll give you some practice. When you're done with the Wayground practice, which should take about 10 minutes, you can go work on the topic 2-1 assignment in Savvis.